Hello, everyone. It's Jim Okrasinski with your last, as I say here, the last screencast video. So this week, looking ahead, the Regenre project is due on Friday, and I'll talk a little bit more about that this week. But later in the week, I will post a video about social practices and participation letter. Um, the circumstances in and around this particular final exam letter has really changed quite a bit since the beginning of the semester. So you may want to really take a listen and a watch on that particular video so you're clear on the structure and format and also some of the content, because the content really has shifted since we first started. All right. I've made some adjustments in the syllabus, the revised syllabus about social practice and participation, but I will talk about my expectations and some of the items you might want to consider arguing for in your social practices and participation letter that works as your final exam. Okay, so let's head over to the course units. Now, everyone, please be aware there's going to be some work in the grade center. Like I mentioned in a previous announcement, you want to be checking your emails. I have completed grading and assessing all of the research essays that have been uploaded to date. And I am recording this Sunday early evening. I have uploaded the social practices and participation folder. I will also add the instructions and links and all the information needed for the final exam later this week by the time I do record the last video. Okay, so one item I want to just touch on briefly is the Regenre project. You have several good examples here. I think I made myself pretty much clear in a previous video about this assignment. Looking for a link upload of some sort. If you're running into some sort of a problem, please email me during the week, sooner rather than later. This assignment will close out on Friday end of day as we prepare to accumulate and assess all projects and submit grades to the college. So be aware of that. The dates, time is short. I'll be converting the reading notes slash discussion board activity from percentages to points. So be aware of that sometime during the week. You might have a day or two to maybe pull together some of the missing discussion board activity, but if you encounter something that is closed, it is closed. And please, opportunities and everything's been open, so it is what it is. We have to finish up. So all of the assignments are going to be closing out sometime this week. Really, you have a good batch of information here on the Regenre project, from infographics, videos. I think there's something in here that everybody can work with for this particular project. If you're unsure, send me the link. Let me take a quick look at it, and you certainly can go from there. All right, so the Regenre project, you have the examples. Let's get back over to the announcements. Later in the week, we will have another video about the social practices and participation. And that's about it. So, as I said before, last screencast, good luck to everyone. Stay safe. And you know where to find me. Email me if you have any questions. All right, good luck.